So what we're going to do now, we are going to get a bag. Each of us will get a bag like this, and then all in the garden we have hidden, all around we have hidden these little pots of paint, Tjhoko paint. So what you guys need to do is you need to go and look for them, and if you found one, you put it in your bag like that. Choops. And then when we're done, we're going to the table and we are going to do some fun activities. Are you guys ready? Are we going? Okay, so what we're going to do now, guys, we are going to unpack our paint onto the table, and then you are going to grab some of those toilet rolls and we are going to paint them, and in one of those bottles we've got ears and eyes, and we are going to make a bunny family like this.
Friends, we are going to look for the Easter eggs that the Easter Bunny left for us. Go look between the plants and see how many eggs you can find. There's nothing better than celebrating Easter with family and loved ones, and we are going to inspire you by using Tjhoko Paint's new color range, how to create the perfect setting for your Easter. Our Easter table is complete. We made use of various new Tjhoko colors. They are bright and vibrant, like Pretty's pink, Almond's aubergine, Asgat and Nao's new, and also combine different new stencil designs. I'm ready to dish up, and this is an inviting, vibrant, colorful table setting. Hope yours look the same. En nou gaan ek regtig eet. Is julle genoeg goed? Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tjhoko Paint.